Today I'm taking you inside the EMAAR Oasis, not in a sales center, but directly